When you buy a home in Orange County, you get so many benefits like beautiful weather, plenty of fun activities, and of course, great people. However, like anywhere else, Orange County homes need to be maintained and sometimes repaired. When you're looking at an Orange County home, how can you tell if the home you're looking at is a fixer? And if it is, how do you know when to walk away? In other words, how do you know if you've got a fixer or a Nixer? Yeah, I made that one up. Hi, I'm Rosario with the Veronica Encinas team at Coldwell Banker Realty, and today I'm going to give you 5 situations when you should consider walking away from a fixer. So structural repairs. Let's start with structural repairs, and that includes foundations. We have natural hazards in Orange County, including earthquakes and fires. Some areas even have floods and mudslides, and all of these can affect the structure and the foundation of a home. Repairing a structural issue can be a complex and expensive process. It can require stabilizing and reinforcing the structure. Costs can range from a few $1,000s to tens of thousands of dollars depending on the severity of the damage. So when you're looking at a home, if you see large cracks in the property, especially inside the home, or if you see them outside the home on a slope, it's time to do some digging, maybe literally, because this could be a Nixer. Now, roof. In addition to storms, UV rays and even wildfires can damage roofs. The cost of a new roof varies depending on the size of the home and the materials used, the complexity of the installation. Usually a replacement is north of $25,000. If you know a roof needs to be replaced, or if you see water stains inside the home that may be evidence of a roof leak, that's the time to get a professional in to determine whether to fix or nix. Plumbing. Orange County has potential plumbing issues whether the home has newer or older pipes. Aside from just normal wear and tear, a common issue in Orange County is plumbing leaks to copper piping. And these leaks can be pinhole leaks behind a wall, or more invasively, leaks to the piping in a slab foundation. Now, completely repiping a home is costly enough, somewhere in the neighborhood of $5,000 to $10,000, but water damage to floors, walls, and cabinets can result from a plumbing leak, and you may even need to remediate mold. If a home is showing signs of leaks and the owners haven't repiped the home, it may be one to nix depending on the size of the damage. While we're on the subject, let's talk about mold. Every home has mold inside and out. Problematic mold, the kind that is dangerous to humans, is sometimes called toxic mold, and it often results from water damage that hasn't been seen or remedied by the homeowner. Removing mold usually can be a process that a plumber can do easily and without too much pain or cost. However, if there's enough of a problem, repairing the area can be a complex and expensive process. If you see significant water stains in a home, and especially if you see actual mold, it's time to investigate because it could be a Nixer. Termites. Now, termites thrive in Orange County due to the climate, especially the closer the home is to the ocean. Termites themselves aren't really the issue as much as the damage they do when they eat into the wood. Fortunately, in Orange County, we don't have a subterranean termite problem. Most of our termites, well, they fly. So often termite damage is not visible except by getting into the attic or on a ladder to see the eaves and rafters. It's a good idea to always get a termite inspection done on a home in Orange County. Costs for newer homes without many problems will be under $1,000, but depending on the size of the home, the size of the damage, costs can climb into the tens of thousands of dollars, which could make the home a Nixer if the seller isn't willing to pay the bill. Thanks for watching. If you want guidance on choosing the right home for you, reach out to us today.